Makadini, Dumelang, Salibonani, Kumusta ka? I'm so excited because I finally got my modeling portfolio from Country Girl Management. Yes, and guys, I'm having a little proud girl moment because I've actually been so impatient. The girl cannot chill. I've been waiting to finally do this unboxing. Like literally, today I was at school and I was like, yo God, masipele. Yo. Look at that. What? Oh my gosh. Ooh. Chico. Chongani, guys. Chongani. Yo. Ooh. What? Wait. No, like this. Yeah. Ooh. I'm not crying. This is actually probably the best thing that has happened to me this week. I'm so excited and I'm so happy, and a big thank you to Country Girl Management for the portfolio, for the events we did. They're like really amazing people, you know. They gave me a lot of confidence trying to figure out what I'm trying to do in this modeling industry, you know. And yeah, also I forgot to mention like the texture on this thing. Begani, like this thing is fire. Like another big thank you to Ali, because most of the amazing pieces that I wore during the shoot were from Ali, and honestly speaking, I should just be an Ali ambassador at this point. This is just the beginning. But ndithinke sana ndinhle. I ate ndinhle, period.